Autoborne sealers are essentially a water-based automotive grade undercoat. This can be applied direct to most any surface and hard surfaces including aluminium, wood, fiberglass, plastic, Lexan and more. If you have a surface such as a motor vehicle where you've sanded through to the raw metal you would require to put an etch primer down first before putting Autoborne sealer over the top. Do not apply Autoborne sealers to raw metal. For application, you would use a 1.3mm to a 1.4mm spray gun, and that's roughly a 22 to 25 psi, and you'd reduce the product by up to 10% with 4012 high performance reducer. You can reduce further if required. You can still get this product through a 1mm or a 1.2mm with just a little bit further reduction. For an airbrush, if you're doing smaller applications, then a 0.5mm is required, and you could put that through, say, on a Water HP BCS Eclipse with around about a 27 to 30 psi. You can increase the psi, but that is a recommendation. So Autoborne sealers, you can see there's a wide range of colours. That's because they're colour keyed. Colour keyed means selecting a colour closest to the top coat colour you're going to paint. So let's just say we're going to use green as our undercoat. We'll step you through it. First of all, you put down a couple of guide coats. We would dry that with a dry air fan or airflow going through the area, which will not take long at all. Do not dry with heat. Forced drying with heat can cause a latex film. We then go up to 2 medium wet coats, and that will flow out nice and level for a smooth finish. Once dried, if you have a little bit of grit in there or maybe a bit of hair or something, you can dry sand this out and that'll come back to a nice smooth surface ready for your top coat colour. So we've selected green for this argument. We'd then go over the top with, say, fluorescent green. Fluorescent green then will last longer externally as an effect of fluoro. Even though fluoro burns out up to 6 months, it'll still look like it's a fluoro colour for a little bit longer. So other colours, of course, we'll just say pearlescent green or metallic green or even sparklescent toxic green. Once you put that over the top of the green as your top coat colour, you will use less colour to colour up the surface. You'll get great orientation of pigment and of flake, and you'll use a much less amount of product. So start your applications with Autoborne Sealer for best results, including even your model kits.